Be the envy of your friends in this 2012 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for.
With a reliable 6-cylinder engine,
Run all over town without worrying about filling up.
plus enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: an alarm system, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power windows, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.